Hey guys, it's Emily. Today I am going to show you a synthetic problem with a remainder. So I have 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x minus 3 by x plus 3. What you're going to do is take each number and write it. Well, you're going to first make a box and then take each number and write it on the top part of the box. And then that would be -3 because that's -3. Now on this side, you're going to take this right here. It would be a -3. The reason why that's a -3 is because you switch the signs. So since that's a positive, that's a negative. If that was a negative, that would be a positive. What you're going to do is bring down the first number. So that's going to be a 2. After you bring down that number, you're going to times both this number and this number. So you times. When you times that, you bring that number up here. So -3 times 2 is -6. After you do that, you add both. You add going down. So 4 plus -6 would equal -2. And basically the same thing repeats. You times -3 and -2 to get 6, +6. Then you add 4 and 6 to get 10. Then you continue. -3 times 10 is -30. You add both -3 and -30, which comes out to be -33. You're almost done. What helps me is that I make a box around the last number you have after multiplying and adding everything. This is your remainder. This right here is your remainder. But you're not done. What you have to do is now rewrite this so it looks like this. How you're going to do that is you're going to do 2x. Instead of having it cubed, you're going to do the next degree down. So if it was squared, you would do it would be 1. If it was 4, it would be 3. If it was 6, it would be 5, so forth. So the degree would be 2. Next, you're going to do -2x. Since this right here was a 2, that would be a 1. And then you would do plus, oops, oh my gosh, sorry. You do plus 10. And that's because that has a degree of 1, and that doesn't. The next lowest degree would be 0. So you're all done with that part. How you put the remainder into your final answer. You would add the negative 33. So you do negative 33 over x plus 3. And if you look at this, it's x plus 3, and that's x plus 3. So you take this and take it all the way over to that. So then this would be your final answer. Yeah. So that's it. If there wasn't a remainder, to say if the remainder was 0, because there's no remainder, you would just do 0 over x plus 3. You could make it look like this. So 2x squared minus 2x plus 10 minus 33 over x plus 3. You could change the positive to a negative just because the negative 33 is a negative. But I like to keep it like this just because I know that this right here is always going to stay positive, and then that would always be a positive or negative. So that's just how I like to do it. Yeah. So that's how you do a synthetic division problem with a remainder. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below if you would like me to do another type of problem and I can see what I can do. Yeah, so that's it. Bye.